Welcome to Dwanko channel, where we empower you to unlock your full potential. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful topic that can change your life: how to find money fast by selling your skills and knowledge. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, make extra income, or turn your passion into profit, this video will give you actionable steps to get started right away. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, make sure to watch till the end, hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that inspires and motivates you. Let's get started. How to find money fast by selling your skills and knowledge. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to make money quickly can seem challenging. However, leveraging your skills and knowledge can provide a fast track to financial gain without needing substantial capital. You already possess valuable expertise that others may need, and by packaging this in the right way, you can turn it into a profitable income stream. Here's how you can start making money fast by selling your skills and knowledge. 1. Identify your marketable skills and knowledge. The first step is understanding what you have to offer. Take a moment to evaluate your strengths. Are you good at graphic design, writing, coding, or teaching? Do you possess specialized knowledge in fields like marketing, finance, or health? Your skills may be more valuable than you realize. Identifying your unique abilities allows you to clearly define what services you can offer to others. Keep in mind that people pay for solutions, so think about how your knowledge or skills can solve someone's problems. 2. Start offering freelance services. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to turn your skills into cash. There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer where you can offer your services to a global audience. Whether you're a writer, programmer, graphic designer, or translator, these platforms allow you to start offering your services immediately. Focus on building a strong profile and showcasing your portfolio to attract clients. The more projects you complete successfully, the more your reputation grows, allowing you to increase your rates. 3. Create online courses. If you have in-depth knowledge of a specific subject, creating an online course is a powerful way to generate passive income. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on virtually any topic. The great thing about online courses is that once they are created, they can generate income for months or even years with minimal ongoing effort. To make the most of this, select topics that are in demand and present the information in a clear, engaging manner. Offering valuable insights that solve real-world problems will attract students to your course. 4. Offer coaching or consulting. If you have specialized knowledge in a particular field, consider offering coaching or consulting services. People and businesses are willing to pay for expert advice to help them reach their goals faster. You can start small by offering one-on-one coaching sessions, or you can scale up by offering group workshops. Platforms like Zoom or Skype make it easy to offer virtual coaching, which expands your client base beyond your local area. Whether you're an expert in business, life coaching, fitness, or career development, consulting offers a fast and effective way to generate income from your expertise. 5. Monetize a blog or YouTube channel. If you enjoy sharing your knowledge and expertise, you can also monetize it through content creation. Blogging and creating YouTube videos are powerful platforms for building an audience and generating income. Once you have a sizable following, you can make money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For instance, if you start a blog about personal finance or a YouTube channel on digital marketing, companies in these industries might pay you to feature their products. The key to success here is consistency and providing valuable, insightful content that attracts and retains an audience. 6. Host webinars and workshops. Webinars and workshops are excellent platforms for selling your knowledge in real time. You can charge participants to attend a live online session where you share your expertise on a particular topic. For example, if you're an expert in digital marketing, you can host a webinar teaching business owners how to create effective online campaigns. Tools like Zoom and Webinar Jam make it easy to set up and run these events. Offering a workshop that promises actionable results is an excellent way to generate immediate income while helping others achieve their goals. 7. Leverage social media to promote your services. To reach potential clients quickly, utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Social media offers a great way to showcase your expertise and connect with potential clients. For example, you can share tips, tutorials, and case studies related to your skills. Engaging content that demonstrates your expertise will attract people who need your services. Additionally, you can join online groups and communities where potential clients hang out. This helps build your reputation and establishes you as a go-to expert in your field. 8. Sell ebooks or guides. If writing comes naturally to you, consider compiling your knowledge into an ebook or guide that you can sell. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and sell digital books. An ebook is a fast way to package your expertise and share it with a wide audience. Whether you're sharing tips on personal finance, fitness, or career development, an ebook can provide readers with value while generating income for you. The beauty of digital products is that they require little upfront investment and can be sold repeatedly. 9. Offer done-for-you services. Some clients are willing to pay a premium for services that require little effort on their part. Done-for-you services can be a lucrative option, especially in fields like digital marketing, graphic design, or web development. By offering comprehensive solutions, you remove the burden from your clients, saving them time and effort. For instance, if you're a website designer, instead of just offering consultations, you can design and build entire websites for clients. Done-for-you services can command higher rates because they deliver more value upfront. 10. Collaborate with other experts. Lastly, don't hesitate to collaborate with others who complement your skill set. Partnering with others allows you to offer a more comprehensive service package, attracting bigger clients or projects. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you might collaborate with a copywriter to offer full marketing materials. This strategy helps you tap into a broader audience and can result in more business opportunities, as clients appreciate having a one-stop solution for their needs. Conclusion. Selling your skills and knowledge is one of the fastest ways to generate income, especially if you take the right steps to market and position yourself effectively. From freelancing and consulting to creating online courses or offering workshops, there are many ways to turn what you already know into money. The key is to get started, build a reputation, and continually improve your offerings. With persistence and dedication, you can quickly turn your skills into a thriving source of income.